Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk continuing with our Bootstrap tutorial. This is what our website looks like at the moment, and what I'm going to do now is starting to add a navigation bar at the top of the page. So in order to do that, let's go to the top of the page, which is around about here, straight after the body tag. So let's do it step by step. So let's just add a nav tag and a /nav, and this is where we're gonna put the nav bar in between these two tags. Okay, and if you just press F12 now, you won't be able to see anything, right? Because we haven't put anything in there. We haven't specified any styles or anything, so it's not going to do anything. So the first class that I'm going to add in is called class equals navbar, and this basically says that it's going to be a navigation bar, and the color scheme is going to be navbar default. And if you press F12 now, you can see something has happened at the top, right? It's got this weird, strange bar at the top that wasn't there before. So something has worked. Now, all the stuff in the navbar is going to be in the container div. So put div class equals container. Right, inside this container is where we're going to put all the menu items and all that. Right, if you don't put it under a container div, it's probably not going to be very responsive, which means that we want the menu items to automatically wrap to the width of the screen. So, and then the next thing we're going to do is set up a menu item. So let's just do UL, which is an unordered list. Class equals navbar nav. Right, all of this is necessary to set up the styling of each of the buttons, and then /UL is the end of the list. And then within this list, let's put in some menu items. So what do we have on our page? We have about me, my hobbies, my YouTube. So let's do li my hobbies, about me, sorry. And then what else do I have? Oops. About me, my hobbies, my YouTube. Okay, and then finish off the unordered list. So every single tag is closed. Alright, /nav, /div, /ul, /li 3 times. And then if you save it, look at your page, you got these 3 things which look insanely ugly. So we're gonna slowly start to fix it up. So let's turn each of these items into links. So let's do a space href equals about and /a after that. So this is now a link to wherever the about section is, which we're going to define very soon. A href equals quotation hobbies and /a, and then same thing, I'm going to make it my YouTube. So just put hashtag YouTube /a, and then I'm going to have these 3 divs defined. So about is going to be this first section here, ID equals about and then I have ID equals hobbies and ID equals YouTube. So save that and let's see what happens. So refresh the page. Now it has 3 links: about me, and then go back up, my hobbies, it's down here, and my YouTube, which is down at the bottom. So yeah, it's working. Okay, so that is a very basic navbar that we've set up, but hopefully you guys, by doing it this way, understand what each of the tags do. Okay, so I guess let's just do one more thing. So let's add a header to this. So you can see on the left hand side there is a bit of a gap, and that's where we can put a header in. So let's put in here, just after the container, let's put div class equals navbar header, and then slash div, and inside this section is where we put the header. Okay, so we got the actual navbar and then the header on the left, and the header is where you put things that might or might not directly be on the page. So let's put what is actually shown. So let's put a href equals, and let's just do about, because usually when you click the brand icon, it goes back to the top. And let's put in class equals navbar brand, right? Because this is the brand of our website. And I'm just gonna put in Magic Monk. Okay, so that's gonna be shown on the left. So let's see what happens. So if you have a look at it, you can see on the left there is now a big Magic Monk, and then Magic Monk. Alright, now you can see after you click something, what happens to the navbar? It disappears, so that's a little bit annoying. So to change that, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little thing to make it fixed. So let's add in, just straight after navbar default, let's add in navbar fixed top. And if I put that on the internet and see what happens, refresh that, and now if I click a link, it sticks to the top of the page, which is probably quite useful. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but now this about me section is too close to my navbar. So I'm going to edit that. So within my styles, I'm going to put body. So my body tag, it's going to have a padding to the top of, let's say, 70 pixels. So now if I put that on the internet again, refresh the page, now there's a bit of a padding, except now there's a bit of a white space, which is pretty annoying. So I'm gonna reduce the number of pixels to, let's say, 50 pixels, however high the navbar is. So yeah, now you can't see that white space. My hobbies, my YouTube, about me. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.